Hi, this is Oracle Fusion environment. This is the navigator. Here we will see the all menus, and this is logo. We will change. This is the default Oracle logo. We can change our logo here, and this is home icon. This is set to favorite or recent items. This is notification, and this is watch list. And this one is ignore please now, and this is the settings and action item. The rm is that username, login username, and the setting and actions we are set up, and maintenance will set up the all modules. And here is that first we can go to create the username password for the user account. So tools, security console. Here is that list of navigation menus. First one is that roles, and second one is the users. So the user, click on the user menu, and here already created users we can able to search it here. For example, here is a list out of all active users, inactive users, locked users, unlocked users, and search with filter with username or email or last name or first name. So click on that add user account for creating a new user account. This one is that compare users. We can compare two users, roles and everything. So first we can create a new user. Click on that add user account. Here it's showing associated person information. Associated person type. Here is the two types is listing. One is non, another is worker. Non means we can create manually user account. We can use that non. I mean worker means already existing employees does not have user account, so HR manually go to create the existing worker user account for using this option. For example, we can choose worker. Here one more field is showing worker name. Here we can choose existing employee names. For example, John. I am searching. See, these are all the existing employee. We can able to choose that employee and create the user account. Other than employees, we can use none. Account information is active. Locked means account is locked. User not able to log in unless lock released. Okay, so user information. User category is category, and manually we can create user category. We will see later in this user category tab. Okay, so here am entering first name is test, first name, test, last name. So once I'm entering first name, last name, the default user category automatically generate the username. See, first name dot last name. This is the default user category username generation method. We can able to see that, see tools, security console, user category, default. See, here is the detail. User category name is default category, and username generation rule is first name dot last name. So based on this username generation rule, the username is here automatically generated. Generate system username when generation rule fails. It means same first name last name having another person. So that time this method of username generation rule, it will fail. So that time system automatically generate the username. Okay. So the checkbox is enabled. Password policy. Password policy means days before password expiration, 90 days before. So days before password expiry warning, 10 days before. Hours before password reset token expiration 1. Password complexity simple, at least 8 characters, 1 numbers. So based on these all rules, it will apply here. And administration can manually reset password in the security console. If checked enabled, admin able to reset the password of user account. If not enabled, not able to reset the password for admin. Disallow last password. So if it's enabled, not able to use the last password. Notification. Notification means once user account is created, the user will get email, I mean will receive the email of based on this template. For example, user account, forgot username template. Based on that, it's enabled. Enabled means notification will receive. Not enabled, notification not received. Enabled means forgot username. This is the mail subject, message subject. This is the message content. So based on that, we will receive the email notification. Next, two-factor authentication. Based on that, email, SMS, OTP, we can able to log in the two-factor authentication. Users. Under this user category, what are the users assigned? So those user list outed here. Okay. So now I am going to create one user account. I'm using the password. Okay, I copy that username. Next roles, add role, add auto provisioned roles, remove all roles. So this role functionality I will explain later. First I will create this user account, save and close. User account is created. So once you enter the email, based on that notification, you will receive that user account created notification in the mail. So now we can search the user account name. Now we created, search it here. See, this is the username. So once we can log out this current account and log in this username password, and it will show the empty blank page, because we don't provide any functionality role or data role. We are not provided as of now. So the username once logged in, the pages are showing nothing. So now we are going to assign the role of this user account. Click edit. Here once existing username, search it and click on that. Here we can able to see that reset password edit done. And before also the action button here is showing lock account. Once I click the lock account, we we can't able to log in the user account. Here is showing status as of now. The locked status is no and active status. Reset password. Able to once click on that reset password. See, automatically generate password, and password generation it will show to receive in the mail. Manually change the password, new password and confirm password. Okay, and delete the user account. Compare user, copy user. Compare users means we can compare, for example, username Curtis Fitty. So compare. See, the Curtis Fitty user having these all roles and functionalities. So this is not having. Here is have the roles Curtis Fitty. So this is the compare with users accounts. Okay, and click on the done. Next, copy user. Copy users options means we can copy that user accounts. I mean all roles and functionality it will copy here, but username, uh, email, phone, password, everything we can manually enter. Just roles only copy it. Okay, we can cancel that. Now I am clicking on that existing user account. Such we created. Edit, reset password. So click on that edit options. Here we can able to see password expiration date. Based on the default user category rules, the password expiration date is showing here. Okay, so add role. Click on that role. We can able to search the role. Human resource, human resource analyst. So the Aura, starting Aura is that predefined Oracle role. So we can choose. The rest of them is that copy of that job role. So we can use that Aura Oracle predefined roles. Human resource analyst, add role membership. Next, human resource manager. So we can choose predefined Oracle role. So click on that Aura, add role membership. Specialist, human resource, specialist, add role membership, and IT security manager or IT security manager, payroll administrator, say payroll administrator, add role membership. Next, benefits administrator, administrator, benefit administrator. Next, learning specialist, or a learning specialist, add role membership, done. So now I have added some roles only. So rest of them we will add later. Okay. So now click on save and close. These all roles are added to this user account. Once the user account we can log in, the all functionality of the role we can able to see the menus in the home. Done. So now I am going to log in that username account, copy that user account. I am going to log in that newly created username. See, my client group, new person, absence, and tools. IT security manager. We can able to see that security console based on that roles. Okay. See the logos, everything. Now I am just click out sign out.